Ano ba mo? Ano? Wala ako eh. Ikaw na. Wala ka. Pamatilan ko. May kinatawa ka ba?
Ayun na lang ah.
Chismis? Hindi. Chismis. Paano?
Speechless. Speechless.
Ang akong bago, balik na driver. Bago ako na siya driver. Tapos at kasi mas beautiful. Ay, bago. Hi. Beautiful bebe. Alam mo po sa nag-focus. Wala sa? Wala sa? Merry Christmas!
Ano ako yan?
Merry Christmas, Ma! Merry Christmas! Ano? Wala kami mapasunan. Anong plano? Dapat kagina.
Ako na lang gusto ko.
Ang iba kayang ano?
Thank you so much.
Ah! Thank you!
Buksan na.
Sena! Wow! So, Merry Christmas! Ma, kaya ito din, halin.
Thank you din.
Yeah! Kisa na, be?
Yeah. Ha?
Diba? Uy, ito? Yun na. Ala. Thank you. Welcome. Pakita mo. Ano yung nakuha mo? Pakita mo. Oh. I just realized that dami nagpaplano na to gawin yung perfect morning routine. Ganun, like, parang a healthy lifestyle. And for me, nakalimutan ko na mag-enjoy yung little things. Trying to follow the perfect plan that na nakikita ko lang sa sa TikTok, nabasa ko sa libro, and I forgot to enjoy little things. And I just realized that. And also, trying to follow something na maging modest ka in life. Na may mga rules na dapat mong gawin, ganito, ganyan. And I just want to share to you that nothing's wrong with that. You can do all things that you want and enjoy life. Parang ganun. It's near the end of the year, and I just want to remind myself for the next year that you don't have to follow the perfect plan that everybody's going to follow. I just enjoy a thing. Just just do what makes you happy and what makes you feel alive. Kasi wala eh. That perfect plan is not for everybody. Yes, you can follow that somehow, but don't forget to enjoy little things and just feel alive wherever you go and whatever you do.
Excited yet?
Ikaw, guro!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's eat na.
Okay!
Let's
Tsura mo man! Ma! Ma! Message. Birthday. Sa birthday boy.
Happy birthday. Shut na ta. Yung ka?
Dipat, happy birthday. Thank you for everything sa sa pagiging second dad, and thank you sa all out support premier sa paghampang ko, and basta um um sana i-bless ka and yung family mo. Tapos, thank you kay God na binigyan ka ng another year na, and ingat ka palagi. I love you. Let's go. Si Mama.
Hi, Daddy Pat. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. God bless. Love, love. Shot puno.
Pat, happy birthday. Hi, Pat. Happy birthday. God bless. More blessing to come.
Wanna say something?
Happy birthday, Daddy Pat.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
New Year.
Message.
Message ko kay Daddy Pat. Kagubos ko na gina sa prayer, good health, and more blessings to come for this year. And, apagid, give him strength and more blessings. That's all. Thank you. I love you.
Message. Kay Daddy Pat.
Ikaw lang.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Daddy Pat.
Happy birthday, Daddy Pat.
Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Daddy Pat.
Happy
birthday, Toto Pat, Daddy Pat.
Ano masasabi mo sa birthday mo ngayon?
Salamat. Salamat sa nagkanto, kag salamat sa nagbulig sa ako, lalo na gina nagka-picture. Ang video.